Do you need to know where a particular element is in your array list? You can use the method indexOf. Come on, let's learn some Java. This will return the index of where the first occurrence of obj is in the list, or -1 if it doesn't exist. So let's see how this works. We have weekly sales, and if we want to know where new sales 150 Wednesday is located in the array list, it will search the array list and find it at index 2, and 2 will be returned. If we want to say weekly sales.indexOf new sales 200 Tuesday, it will find that at index 1. Notice that there is a second occurrence at index 3, but only the first occurrence will be returned, and so index will have the value 1. What if we say index equals weekly sales.indexOf new sales 200 Thursday? Well, that does not exist in the list, and -1 will be returned. Be sure to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.